I'm cleaning out Cream's cage, but she gets very easily distracted. Hopefully that'll keep her busy, since she just came over and got on my lap to see what I was doing, even though she'd already caught a fish, and she knew there were fish there. Oh, but Mama, what are you doing? Do you have food for me? Yeah, stupid, the food's behind you. Yeah, that's not the fish. I know I'm messing with your cage though, right? Oh, wait, there's fish. Hey, look. There's fish right here. No, not the hand. No. What's that? Oh, it's fish. You know, I'm trying to put her cage back together. Oh, Mama's messing with the cage. What could be going on? It might be food. Do I have food? Wait. Is that a fish over there? Oh, how do I get to that fish? It's impossible. Totally impossible. Here, Mama will tell you. Look. Look. Over here. Over here. Here's some fish. No, not in there. That's dirt. There. What's that? Oh my god, it's fish. No, eat the fish. If I hold still, maybe she'll just eat more fish. If I move, she thinks I'm giving her something, which is really stupid. Alright. Oh, am I doing something? Is it pertinent to you? Is it something that could be about you? Well, here, let's just put you back then. And then you can eat your fish. Oh, there you go. She'll notice in a little bit. She doesn't like this cage. Her regular big cage, I'm cleaning it. Like deep cleaning it. What's over here? What's over here? No, you're not looking in the right spot. I wonder if we're upset because we don't know where the fish is. Look. Look. Hey. Look over here. Oh, don't look at me. Look at my hand. Look. Look. Look there. Idiot. Have to close the lid fast and walk away before she gets distracted.